We're at 1500 Shermer Road. It's called the Atrium Professional Building. Although, I'll be honest, I don't really see much of an atrium. But I do see an old GNS. Oh, look at that old TV. That's sick. Oh, it's one of those old gaming systems. That's funny. All right, here it is. Here's your indicator. Oh, wow. This thing is weird. Oh, weird. Interesting. That's a crusty old fan. This thing's a bit narrow. This is an interesting setup they got going on here. They have the same floor buttons, but they're they have a set of floor buttons for each side. Interesting. Up to this is weird. Do the sides connect even? No, they don't connect. Oh, maybe they do. What is the point? Wait, actually, I'm curious. Let's go around. See if the sides connect. Yeah, they do. Okay, so what is the point of the weird setup? Even though you can literally just go around, and we lost it. Nice. Okay. In the meantime, let's get a sip of water. Water. Nice and cold. Well, let's have a walk about the place, why don't we? Very 60s, 70s. All right then. Here it is. Yeah, I don't know why they have this set up here, but yeah. I guess LL only opens on this side here. Look at the button. You can't really, yeah, look. It's all like cracked on the inside. That's weird. I love these old buttons. It's a GNS. Stopping on the lobby. Maybe it just parks here. I don't know. No door closed. Pull out to run. Oh, it's an up and down switch. Ooh, creepy basement. All right, back up we go to L. Yeah, this is a weird setup. All right. We'll watch both of the doors close. And that's it.